I'd like to move away from philosophy or politics into astrophysics for today. In particular, a research paper called Four Direct Measurements of Fine Structure Constant 13 billion years ago in Science Advances, April 2020, by several writers whose names I'm worried about mangling. The central point of the paper, without going too far into the math and physics, is a quantity called the fine structure constant, something that is assumed to be consistent across the universe as we know it. The measurements, to make a long story short, suggest otherwise. Now, this paper has not yet been replicated or confirmed by other researchers, to my knowledge, but an interesting one nevertheless. If the constants of the universe itself can change, what can we, as humans, do to prepare ourselves for very uncertain tomorrows, whether the stakes be small or cosmic? Let's meet tomorrow's challenges, how we meet them today. Deal with one problem at a time. Deal with issues we can, and prepare for issues we can't to the best of our abilities. We're not going to be able to prepare for everything, because there's still much of the universe, much of international politics, much of the economy, and a whole lot of other factors that are well beyond our control. Even if one person understood all of them perfectly, they could not prepare for everything, because resources are always finite. However, circumstances can change. Just because you're helpless now does not mean you will always be so. Conversely, just because you can alter or affect things now does not always mean you will be able to do so. So, hope for the best while you can, prepare for the worst while you can, even if the coefficients of the universe itself change. Cosmos abides by its own laws. We should too. Persistence and preparation, we can hopefully change things to our liking when circumstances are more favorable. Hey, as a mad scientist, I hope that one day we can try modifying the coefficients of the universe itself, but hey, that's a conversation for a different day. For now, endure.